let me go straight to the point. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you a straightforward way to find your course lectures in CKT UTAS. So this tutorial is very quick, straightforward. Let's assume you have your course timetable right here, and then maybe you're looking for the lecturer, you don't know how to approach, how to go by it. This is easy and the smartest way to go. Okay, so I have this particular course here, that's DCS 208. Okay, so I'm to try to look for this particular lecturer. While I can't pronounce the name, then I will just copy the name straightforward. So I have to just copy his name, then come to the CKT UTAS official website. Okay, then you visit the official website. All you need to do here is you have to locate the staff just at the nav bar, the navigation bar on top here. Then you come to portals, you see staff directory. So that's where you have to head to, staff directory. Then when you come to the staff directory page, then you access the staff directory. Then here are the list of the lecturers, the administrators of this school. So all you need to do right here is just use the search button here. Then you paste the name that you copy. Remember, you copied this name, so we just have to search. Okay, so you can see this person here. This is the lecturer. So means that's the lecturer assigned to this particular course. So you can view the lecturer. Then you can look at him and see him very well. Then probably you can get the phone number here or the email address. Unfortunately, his phone number is not updated. So this is it. Let's also do for this particular one here. Okay, so we just need to pick only I think the first names also. Just pick first name, search. Okay, so we have two names right here. I think this is the name that we search for. So we pick this one. Okay, so this one, there's no picture, but we can find the phone number, which is also a good approach to contact him, because we don't know him and then we are assigned to that particular course. So what we have to do is pick the phone number straight, call him and remind that, okay sir, we have lectures and then this time, this venue. That is the easiest and smartest way to approach these lectures on this campus. Sorry. Okay, then you can do for the remaining courses. Let me try this one again for the third time. Let's paste usage. Okay, so we can also see this person, this lecturer here, Mr. Enoch Opani Jemfi. Then we open. Then you can also have the phone number here. Then we contact him, reach out to him. Sir, we have lectures. That's it. That's the easiest and the smartest way to approach lectures in CKT UTAS course lectures. Thanks for watching. Please, this video is sponsored by Hanatu. You guys try and vote for her.